Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this clip, we are going to see a basic transformation in Unity using C script. Means we are going to create a 3D sphere and we are going to apply a C sharp code to it. Let's look into the C sharp code what we have written. We have imported some libraries system.collections and system.collections.generic. This library is by default installed, and now we need to specify that it is a mono behavior type, and there will be all code will be written into the void update, like if input dot get key code dot some letter. Means if you press that letter in your keyboard, it moves forward direction. Like that we gave some points in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So it takes keys we have said W, S, D, A. These are the keys. When we give A, it moves down, and when we give D, it moves up. And same as W, it moves rightwards. When we give S, it moves across. Like this code will be working. Now just we go to it and create an object of 3D. Go to game objects, 3D objects. In that you need to select sphere. Yes, sphere has been appeared. Go to the C sharp file and take into the sphere and go to game mode and just play it. After that you need to press your keys onto the keyboard and it starts moving. As I told you, it moves like that. So thanks for watching. Let's meet in next section.